Orbis has a long legacy of providing packaging solutions in Mexico. Its state-of-the-art design, sales, and manufacturing facility defines its presence as a leader in the manufacture of reusable packaging. Located in central Mexico, the Silao facility maximizes access to transportation and resources. And with more than 265,000 square feet of manufacturing space, this gives Orbis plenty of room to expand to meet our growing customer needs. Under one roof, you will find unparalleled expertise in creating innovative packaging solutions for the automotive and retail supply chain. That expertise starts with the sales team, with the experience to ask the right questions and the persistence to see your needs are met. Our design staff blueprints your solution, putting perfection on paper, matching your specifications and requirements. And then manufacturing. At the Silao plant, Orbis manufactures a full range of product categories, including totes, pallets, bulk packs, and dunnage. Orbis' commitment to reusable packaging leadership in Mexico means turnkey solutions for you, so you can focus on your business. And we are proud to announce that just 30 kilometers away from our Silao plant, we have recently added a metal rack fabrication facility in León. This facility is your one-stop source for bag racks, integrating with fabric dunnage, bags, and pouches in Silao. These fully integrated racks ship to the customer, ready to pack. Backing it all up are the Orbis RPM service centers. Like the plant in Silao, our service centers are strategically located to maximize our support for you, our valued customers. At these service centers, we track and manage our customers' packaging assets so you have the right packaging at the right place and at the right time. Orbis, our commitment to your success makes no compromise. Leadership in Mexico bridges that commitment throughout Latin America and beyond.